We have to head back for my dragon! Who are you? The dragon thief? Drago Bloodfist? Do you even understand what I'm saying? Toothless! Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'm glad to see you too, bud. You really had me worried there.
Hiccup. Could it be? After all these years? How's this possible?
Should I know you?
No. You were only a babe. But a mother never forgets. Shh. Come.
Hold on, wait just a minute.
This way.
Come back here.
Come.
You can't just say something like that and run off. You're my mother? I mean, what the... Do you grasp how insane it sounds?
Come, quickly.
I have questions. Where have you been all this time? What have you been doing? But they said you were dead. Everyone thinks you were eaten by... This is where you've been for 20 years? You've been rescuing them. Unbelievable.
You're not upset?
What? No, I don't know. It's a bit much to get my head around, to be frank. It's not every day you find out your mother is some kind of crazy, feral, vigilante dragon lady.
Oh. At least I'm not boring. Right?
Well, I suppose there is that. One specific thing.
Do you like it?
I don't have the words.
Can I? Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, oh, incredible. He might very well be the last of his kind. Oh, and look, he's your age.
Wow.
Oh, No wonder you get along so well.